This is a MELC breaking news alert. We are monitoring a major escalation in the Strait of Hormuz. According to official reports released today, U.S. naval forces intercepted and disabled the Iranian-flagged cargo vessel MV Touska. CENTCOM statements confirm that the guided missile destroyer USS Spruance tracked the vessel and issued repeated warnings over a 6-hour period. Following this, the destroyer executed a targeted strike directly into the Touska's engine room, disabling its propulsion system. There are no reports of casualties. U.S. Marines have now boarded the vessel. We are monitoring the live radar feeds and will provide continuous telemetry updates on this developing situation. Stay with MELC Command Center for uninterrupted coverage.